Yo, it's officially the 2022 PBA season. We're getting ready to leave for the Players Championship. I'm just waiting for Marshall. We're making the drive over to SoCal for our respective region. We are in the West, pretty loaded up top. We got Belmo, Butters, Simo, Marshall, myself, Jake Peters, Sam Cooley. We got a lot of really talented players. Pretty excited to get started. We just bowled team trials last week. You guys know how that went. I'm feeling pretty good. I got some practice in. I'm finally starting to get some feel back. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good. Yeah, we're just gonna chill until Marshall gets here. Here we go with Marshall. Here we go. SoCal. Woo! All right, we made it. Yeah, and I just want to take a moment to take my clothes off and tell you guys this beautiful t-shirt along with many other ones are available on thehousebowling.com. We have a limited edition coupon code for 15% off. Use PBA at checkout. Get your merch. Support the boys. Look at all the balls. I have 21 in here. I think it's more than Marshall at the moment. I'd rather have them and not need them than need them and not have them because that sucks. Alright, we just wrapped up practice. We bowl on Chameleon day one. They're looking real tricky. At least, I don't know, pair to pair is going to be tough. Kind of a lot of guys saying a lot of different things, so that's never a good sign. I'm thinking my hand's really forward right now, and it's not great for the bolero centers because they hook really early, so they're not terribly flat either. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to use more rotation than I have been, but I think we'll be okay. Day one, Players Championship. We've got 14 games. It's been a while since we bowled that many in one day. All throughout trials, bowled 6 a day. The morning blocks, I needed a nap after, so I'm slightly concerned, but I'm sure everything will be okay. Well, that was about as bad as we could have started. I had no idea what I was doing. Half those shots almost fell on my face. The ball reaction sucks. There are 2 opens and 1 double for 180. So we're searching.
That one looks better.
Hey.
What'd you throw?
Hustle Campo.
Hey, Hustle Camo making an appearance.
Hopefully it bails us out for the rest of the block.
The Thunder Rush.
I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do on the fresh though, because that's 30 under after 3. Not horrible, but I don't think that makes us a show. don't have a clue what I'm doing. But I have 3 strikes now in 4 frames. I kind of just want to keep throwing it, even though I know it's not the right ball. I've struck every time I hit the one in the front so far. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm very frustrated with things that are outside of my control and I shouldn't be thinking about them, but bad racks, I feel like if you have a professional event coming, that's one of the most important things you gotta take care of. And I could have easily had 4 in a row and I'm out of my control again.
No, wait.
But it made me do a lot of things that I didn't have to do because the rack wasn't good. And it resulted in bad shots, resulted in open frames, and it resulted in a very, very bad first block. I mean, all things considered, 30 under is not the worst thing in the world, but I'm pissed, I'm not gonna lie. I'm currently 31 under. I climbed my way back to the positive, and then that last game happened. I don't know how much Anthony got, but it was a train wreck. I definitely punted the hell out of my bag a lot of times. Don't do it. I was on the live stream pair too, so I made myself look like an ass. Don't do that. Not recommended. Got my emotions getting the best of me, and I'm gonna try to do a better job of keeping those in check. But a lot of fans in the building now, not a lot of space, so hopefully moving pair won't be a problem. Here we go. Bowled 170, I threw 4 bowling balls. I think that breaks the record for today. Number of balls thrown in 1 game. We're in trouble. It's still kind of early in the tournament, but it almost feels like we're already bowling for a check, so we'll see what happens. Why am I so stupid? Sometimes. As in, all day today. Tough day, didn't see the lanes very good. Missed a couple of spares. I had a lot of things that I could not pick up. So I'm not gonna think too much about it. Hopefully I can sleep, and we'll come back tomorrow and do better.